In this lesson, guys, I will show you how to add more details in a specific area. So say for example you want to add some details in this area. So I will show you how to do that. So I will hit tab and type sphere. Okay, and then I will hit tab again and type transform to move the sphere. Okay, so I will show you why I created the sphere. So now I will click on the template so I can see both the geometry and the sphere at the same time. So I will select the transform and move it up and scale it. Something like that. I will scale it a little bit more. Okay, so I will move it in the area that I want to add more detail. Okay, somewhere here. So now guys, I want to create a group. So I will hit tab and type group. Okay, and then I will connect the scatter to the first input and the second input to the transform. So what I want to do, guys, I want to create a group of the points in this area. So that's why I created the sphere. So in the scatter, I will increase the scatter to, for example, 16,000. Okay, so now we have more points. Let's see that. I will hit escape. I will hit escape and disconnect this one, so the Voronoi does not calculate the pieces. Okay, because we have 16,000 pieces. Okay, so now guys, I will click on the group and here I will change it to points. And another step we want to do here, keep in bounding regions. So I will enable that and I will select bounding object. So now guys, as you see, I created group of the points inside the sphere that I created. Okay, so now we have a group of points. So now what we need to do, guys, we need to delete all the points except the group that we created. So we can do that by hitting tab on the keyboard and type delete. Okay, so I will select the delete node and I will change the type to points because we want to delete points. Okay, and here guys, we want to put the name of the group that we created. So if you select the group, you see here the name of the group is group 1. Okay, so let's name it impact. Okay, so now in the delete node I will type impact, or you can click on this one and click impact. Okay, and here we want to delete all the points except the group. So I will select delete non-selected. So now I deleted all the points except the group that I created. Okay, so now guys, another step we need to do here is hitting tab on the keyboard and type Voronoi, but this time we will choose Voronoi fracture points. Okay, so I will move the Voronoi fracture to the down a little bit, and here guys, I will set the second input to the delete node and the first input to the transform. Okay, and the Voronoi fracture, guys, I will set the second input to this one. So let's wait Houdini until it calculates that. I know it's a little bit confusing for you, but if you try it 1 or 2 times, you will learn it very well and you will understand that. So I will click on the circles here, but now you see we didn't have the details yet. So I will select the Voronoi fracture. Sorry, I will select the Voronoi fracture points, and here guys, you see here we have point density. So I will increase that to 20. Let's wait until Houdini calculates. As you see, the more details you add, the more time will take to calculate. Okay, as you see, but now the problem is the points are going through all the object. The reason is, guys, as you see this blue circle or this blue sphere, right? So we need to decrease the size, the radius of the blue sphere. So I can do that by going to impact radius. So I will set this one to, for example, point 2 and hit tab, and point 2, as you see I am setting point 2 Houdini calculate, so I will hit escape again. Okay, so point 2, escape again, and point 2. Okay, so now let's wait until Houdini calculates. Okay, so as you see now we have more details in the area of the sphere that we created. Okay, so as you see, if I select the Voronoi fracture points, you see I decreased the radius of the sphere. That's why now Houdini creates the pieces in this area. Okay, so what I want you to do, guys, now is applying what you learned in this lecture. I know it's a little bit confusing for you, but try to apply and understand how I did that. Okay, and if you have any questions, write in the discussions. So if I click now on the exploded view, as you see now we have more pieces. Okay, so I will see you in the next lesson.